Hi guys, Ashley Nicole here. Oh. And just like that, we are back with another video. Hi guys, Ashley Nicole here and welcome back to the channel. And if you are new, which some of you are, then welcome to the channel. Welcome to another very Ashy Vlogmas video. I don't know why I'm so hype, but I do know that today's video is the holiday gift guide I've been promising. And with that being said, when doing a holiday gift guide, this is in no way telling you how much money to spend or exactly what to purchase. This is just me showing you what I decided to purchase or the things that I would purchase for people that I know and that I love. So these are just a couple of options that you guys can check out. So don't think that because you're watching this video and I'm showing you things that you can purchase that you have to buy something. You can make something or you can just spend time with the person. Okay? So just remember, it's not just about the gifts. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this holiday gift guide. Okay, you guys, so I don't really have a order. So I have all the items laid out on my bed around me and I'm just going to pick up items as I go. So there isn't a particular order or particular price range that I'm going by. So I'll of course try to mention the price, and if I don't mention it, I'll just put it down in the description box below. So for any items that you may be interested in, don't forget to check in the description box for the information or the link for the item, because that's where I'll put it. But let's go ahead and get started. So along the lines of getting a gift, I know that this idea may be a little, people don't like to give this as a gift because it feels like maybe you didn't like think about it. So my first suggestion is giving a gift card, and I feel like giving gift cards is like a plus and a negative. It can be a negative because the people could think that you didn't really like put much thought into their gift. I love gift cards. I feel like gift cards allow me to pick what I want. Like, you thought about me because you got it from my favorite store, or you gave it to me for a place that I have been wanting to go to, or a restaurant that I like. It's still a gift and it means a lot, especially if it's to some place they really love. So it's becoming crunch time for gifts, and so I feel like, oh my god, I don't know what to get this person. So if your person loves to go to Target, Starbucks, which as you can see, people always give me these gift cards, that'll be the perfect gift to give them, is just a gift card to their favorite place. And with that being said, when you give them a gift card, it's so much easier on you because then they can pick what they want to get. You don't have to worry about buying a gift, not being sure if they're gonna like it. It's just so much easier. So just remember that gift cards are still great gifts. Don't just feel like, I'm getting a gift card and they're gonna think I don't care about them. Like, no. My friends give me gift cards, my family gives me gift cards, and I love gift cards. Okay, so this next item could be a hit or miss depending on who it's for. So again, make sure you know what the person likes. Don't just buy them anything because you're like, oh, I like that. That's a great idea. Think about this. I bought someone that I love a book. I'm not going to hold it up long because if they're watching, I don't want them to know exactly what I got them. Maybe they won't be able to tell if I do the bag. But for one of my friends, I got them a book that was on their Christmas list. Now, it could be a hit or miss because some people may not like to read, but my friends love to read, or my best friend loves to read. Last year, I got her a Kindle, so I really don't have to buy her any more books because she can literally buy all the books that she wants, except for this one. So, shh, don't tell her because this is for her. Pro tip, if you're buying for someone or a friend, family member, whoever, ask them to give you a list so that you can pick whatever you want to pick, and it still gives you the element of surprise because they don't know what you picked off of the list. It does help you if you don't know what to get the person. Ask them for a list of like 5 to 7 things and then pick the ones that you want to get. So the next item that I have, I feel like all this is kind of subjective because it is, of course, what the person wants. So I think that this is also a really great gift, which would be the lights that you see shining behind me. It's the like bluish, tealish light that you see. It's these little ring lights, or not ring lights, what? It's these little strip lights that I got off of Amazon, which are really nice because they were only like $18, and it comes with 2 bundles. And I only have one in the background that you see right now. The other bundle is still in the box, and it's a great gift for people who like to like decorate. You could put them behind your TV. You can put them under a bar and like make the bar look like it's like kind of lit up. It gives it like more of a, I don't know, like a party vibe. It's like a chill but like luxurious vibe, like a bougie chill. So if you're looking for a gift for someone who loves stuff like this or who loves to like set the mood, create a vibe, perfect gift, and it's literally under $25. For my next idea, if you have anybody who is a YouTuber or an Instagrammer, think about getting them a gift that goes with what they like to do. So maybe a tripod or memory cards. But just think about different little gifts that would like enhance what they already do. It just feels like you're supporting them more and that you actually care about what they're doing. So if you know someone who's making YouTube videos all the time, or someone that does a lot of Instagram content or TikTok, so you can get them all kind of things that would be very beneficial. Memory cards are like a must, and they're fairly cheap depending on like the size that you get. There's so many different things that you can kind of like dibble and dabble in to help like support them, but then also give them something that they would like. So if you know anybody who's into YouTube or Instagram, those couple of gifts will like save your life. So I know you didn't think that you were going to watch the rest of this video and I wasn't going to give you a gift idea for activewear. I just didn't think that you would think that. My next suggestion is definitely going to be activewear. If you know someone who lives an active lifestyle, who likes to run, who just likes really cute athleisure looks, get them activewear. Especially if you order from Gymshark. They have affordable activewear and their shipping is super fast. So if you're in a crunch like right now and you really want to get them something amazing quality, cute aesthetic, Gymshark. Okay? So if you are going to go to Gymshark to get a couple of things, I'll just recommend a couple of quick items. So I'm just going to list the top 3 things that I feel like if you're going to buy them anything from Gymshark, this is what you should buy. First, I would get them something from the Adapt Camo Seamless line. More so the Adapt line in general is a shoe-in for anybody if you don't know what they would like. It's just a more like diverse line, and I feel like the fit and the quality, A1. And then the next thing that I would recommend is the Adapt Animal line, which again is a part of the Adapt collection from Gymshark. Those are also my favorite. I actually have on those pair right now and they're literally my favorite pair of leggings. Third collection that I would recommend that's actually kind of new to me is the Vital Seamless line by Gymshark, and that is the top that I have on right now. I literally just did a whole review on the Vital Seamless collection. It's part of Vlogmas. I think it's like Vlogmas day 3, 4. I don't know, but go check that out if you want to look into getting the Vital Seamless, because you guys, I slept on the Vital Seamless for a long time. Now at the beginning of the video I did talk to you about making gifts yourself, because I feel like those mean so much more to the person than a gift that's bought from a store. Granted, if they really wanted the gift you bought, then cool, but I feel like when you take the time out of your day to actually sit down and make something from your heart for someone, I just think it's received better and it just shows so much care and love. The first thing that I want to recommend is making someone a photo album. So you could definitely make them a photo album and just comprise all of the photos that you've ever taken together, and just like put little cute little notes and decorate and have like a personal touch, because one, you made it, and then two, it gives them a chance to like reminisce, like, oh, I remember when we were this young, oh, I remember when we did this. So what I'm holding up, I know you're like, that's not a photo album. What I'm holding up is the box that the photo album came in. So if you haven't seen up, then you won't know where this is from, but this is the little photo album and it says Our Adventure Book. So I'm gonna make this with someone that I love, but making them a photo album is just a really great idea because it just shows like you love them. I love it. I can't wait. Okay, so last thing that I purchased is a little bit more expensive than the other items that I showed you guys. Again, I realized I didn't mention any prices of anything, so check the description box for all that information and for the links. If I have the links, I will definitely put them down there. It's a gift for people who are very active. So I got this for my best friend's parents, and she already knows about it, and they don't watch my channel, so they're not gonna find out what I got. But I got them one of those massage guns, which basically are those little things that you like hold and like gets really deep in the tissue of your legs and helps you with all the lactic acid buildup if you're a very active person, or if you get very stiff very easily, or if you just want something that's supplemental to add to your stretching and flexibility routine. This would be perfect. Her parents run a lot, they work out a lot, they're just very active people, and they also love massages, and so this is like a 2-in-1 workout, so this would be perfect. So if you know anyone who's really active or who gets sore a lot, or I don't know, just wants to treat themselves something really, really cool, this will be the perfect gift. And again, if you get it off Amazon, 2-day shipping, so there's no stress. Okay guys, so that is it for today's holiday gift guide. I hope it was helpful in some ways, and I tried to give you a wide variety of ideas ranging from most expensive to least expensive and some stuff in between, and also just good ideas in general of things that you can make yourself, because again, the holiday is really not about the gifts, but if you need a little help getting the gifts, this will just give you a couple of ideas as to what would be a good idea to get someone, or I think that you might even want to get yourself. I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.